Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Òrìṣàs, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Olórùnmarè places the money on a tall pole. Story. Olórùnmarè placed some money atop a very tall pole, which was called Guguiéba, to see which of the Òrìṣàs was the wisest and capable of climbing it. Nearly all the Òrìṣàs came and tried to see if they could get past the guardians that Olórùnmarè had set in place to test the courage and wisdom of each of them. These guardians included a wild horse, a fierce ram that attacked everyone, a giant python that devoured people, and a rooster that would crow loudly upon seeing anyone, warning the other animals so no one could reach the goal. Orúnmìlà's wife knew about this test. She was arguing with him because they were poor and had no money. Since the women in that land were very materialistic, especially when it came to money, she shamed Orúnmìlà, telling him, "How is it possible that you're a diviner, helping everyone who comes to your house, wise in all things, and yet you yourself have no money? Why can't you divine how to get the money that's sitting on top of that pole?" So Orúnmìlà performed asodi, divination, and then prepared an ibo, sacrifice, using food that each animal liked. He placed this offering at the base of the tall pole. While the animals were busy eating, Orúnmìlà walked through them unharmed and climbed up to take the money. The animals didn't attack him at all. Everyone witnessed how Orúnmìlà climbed the pole and took the money. When the rooster saw that Orúnmìlà had descended with the money, it crowed loudly. In its song, it declared that had won. Orúnmìlà's wife was overjoyed, praising her husband. Everyone celebrated and praised Orúnmìlà for his wisdom and success.